Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League. You are not connected to Epic Games error. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to make sure that you launch a Rocket League through Epic Games Launcher and not, for example, from your desktop. If you have your Rocket League here on your desktop, you want to make sure to launch it through Epic Games. Just go to your library and click on launch. Check if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there, you want to try to click on the three dots, go to manage and try to verify files. Click on verify. It will take a few minutes to verify the files. After that, check if the problem still persists. If the problem persists, you want to make sure to add it to Windows Defender Firewall. Just click allow an app, change settings, and here you want to add Rocket League. Now, once you will add Rocket League, you will see it here and make sure that these both are checked. Then you're gonna click OK. Now, after you've done that and the problem still persists, what you want to make sure is that your birth date is correct on Epic Games and it's over 13 years old, because Epic Games may think that your account is cabined. So just make sure that you are over 13 years of age. Just make sure your birthday is correct. And now the last thing you can try out is go to rocketleague.com/activate, and you can go ahead and go through this Epic Games account linking, share your Rocket League inventory, click on manage and go through all of these steps. And basically, after you will go through all of these steps, your account will see something like so. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.